Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to purchase expired domain names at dynadot.com. It's a very easy process, straightforward, very cheap domain names. So the first thing you need to do under this video, go under the description section, click on the link. Once you click on that link, you'll be directed to Dynadot. So if you've never signed up an account at Dynadot, it's the time to do that. Sign up an account at Dynadot. And also you can log into your existing account. So now I've been directed to Dynadot, so I've already signed in into my account. So this is the domain name that I'm running on Dynadot. I have another account, but in this account it's for the purpose of the video. Now I want to show you how to purchase the expired domain. So on the top bar menu, just click on Aftermath. We have this drop down menu, click on aftermarket search, then you'll be directed to a new page. So now we can search for a domain name that we want. Maybe we want a domain name in the niche of cooking, so I'll search for kitchen. Let me see if I can find an expired domain name under kitchen. Just type your query there, and so these are the results, some of the results we get. There's so many of them, okay, so many of them. So you can bid on any of these one. You can see the time that this this column here shows the time that is left for this auction to expire. This one will be expiring in 10 hours. So let me see. Okay, we have reviews kitchen. This one looks good. We have 3 days, 10 hours. Okay, currently the current price is marked as 7.99, the 7.99, approximately $8. So we want to bid on this. So to do so, just click on the domain name that you want to bid on, and here we go, we have the domain name. So that two things I want you to observe. Number one, the age of the domain. This domain is 4 years old. The advantage of having an older domain name is that you'll avoid being placed in the Google Search Console sandbox. So you may ask me what that is. So Google Sandbox in SEO means, it's just a term used in SEO to refer to the situation where new websites are not ranked well in Google search results. The idea behind this is that Google may place newly created website in a sandbox for a certain period of time. That's why most of the time your SEO for new websites takes up to 6 months to see any traction for your website. So that's number one, the first thing you have to observe, the age. So this one gives you an advantage. You're not going to be placed in the sandbox. It's an existing domain. We have what we call backlinks to the domain name. Is it important? Sometimes an older domain name with a lot of backlinks may be very expensive to acquire. So you can go even for a cheaper one with little or even no backlinks, for the sake of avoiding sandbox scenario. And then another thing we want to observe is the price, the renewal price. So this domain will be renewing at 12.99, which is approximately $13. The current bid price is almost $8, and apart from the $8 you're going to pay when you bid, you're going to pay an extra $12.99 to renew the domain name. So the $8 is for acquiring the domain, and then the 12.99 is for renewing the domain for another year. So currently, if you want to bid this one, I'd place $8. Currently is 7.99, so you can bid this one. You can place a bid at $8. And what you need to know is that once you place this bid, there's no turning back. Okay, no turning back. If you cancel the bid, then you will be banned from the platform. So make sure when you place the bid and you win the bid. So you can place the bid and fail to win the bid because maybe there are other people who have placed the bid, okay? But if you place the bid and then you win the bid, then you have to make sure you pay the price of the domain and then you renew it. Failure to that, the terms and condition, you will be banned from the platform, okay? So that's how you purchase a domain name. And before you make you commit to placing the bid. Okay, we have a domain links section here. I want to know how did this domain name, the actual website look like. So we can click on the web archive result to see what it looked like. Click on that, and then you'll be directed to the Wayback Machine. So here we have different period of times when the Wayback Machine took snapshot of this website. So we can just take the snapshot on this date and then click on that timestamp. Let's see what we have. And this is the website that we have. It's actually a functioning website. I don't know what happened, but you can see we also have even articles on the website. So you may ask me, so what will you do with the domain when you purchase it? When you purchase the domain name, you recreate this website. Okay, you can recreate the website, and then all these articles, you can recreate the old articles or redirect them to the home page, whichever case you want. Or you can just reconstruct the entire website from scratch. It's a very good one. You can see this. Let's go to page 2 of the same website and see what we have. And you can see it's a good website. You can work on it. So once you have evaluated and you're comfortable with the website, you can just go back, and now you can comfortably place the bid. Okay, and then always periodically check on your bid, because somebody else may place the bid on maybe for $9, so you have to go back again and place a bid for $10 or an amount that is higher than the bid until the expiring date, before the 3 days and 10 hours. Make sure you win the bid if you are really interested in that specific domain name. You can also go back if you are not interested in that. We can go to the aftermarket. Okay, the aftermarket search. Maybe you didn't want for kitchen. You can do something else. Maybe something to do WordPress. Let's see if you have something to do with WordPress for the time being. Wow, we have WordPress secure.com. Okay, the time is 4 days. The time left is 4 days 6 hours. The current price, you see the bidding price, it's $149, so you can bid at $150 for that one if you are interested in that. And then we have WordPressnews.com. Current price $40. Okay, I prefer the .com. And then we have SEO, WordPress.io. The bid price is $101.7. You can bid this one if you're interested in one. I see there are so many. You can search for whatever niche you are really interested in. You can also search for technology if you're interested in technology, and then just go through the same process. It's as simple as that. Let's see. Digitaltechnology.com. This one is a good one. Yeah, it's a kind of digital technology. Digital art technology, functioning within 3 days 9 hours. The bid price is $7.99. So guys, you can go and check, and don't forget to use my affiliate link. So thank you for watching. See you next time for another video.